Chapter 16: Religious Movements and Social Reformers. Introduction to the chapter. India has a rich cultural heritage. Many great people have been taken birth in our country. They all did a lot of welfare of human beings. They carried the message of peace and love for all human beings. In this chapter you will study about the great people and social reformers of India. Religion of India. Hinduism. It is the oldest religion in the world. The holy book of the Hindus are the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Vedas, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The Ramcharitmanas of Saint Tulsidas are very popular in Hindus. Hinduism has produced great saints and sages like Adi Shankaracharya, Maharishi Dayanand, Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahansa and Sri Ramanujacharya. Buddhism. Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. He attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree after 49 days of meditation. From that day he came to be known as Lord Buddha. He then began preaching his messages. He told people to follow the eightfold path of peace, which consists of right thinking, right living, right observation, right speech, right action, right meditation, right knowledge, right effort. The holy books of the Buddhists are Dhammapada and Tripitaka. Jainism. Lord Mahavira founded Jainism. He is the 24th Tirthankara of Jains. He laid stress on right faith, right conduct, right knowledge and non-violence. The followers of Jainism are strictly vegetarians. They do not hurt other living things. Christianity. Christianity was founded by Jesus Christ. He taught the importance of peace, love and compassion and forgiveness. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Sikhism. Guru Nanak Dev, the founder of the Sikh religion, preached that God is one and all people are his children. He was followed by 9 more gurus. The last Sikh Guru was Guru Govind Singh. The holy book of the Sikhs is the Guru Granth Sahib. Islam. The founder of Islam was Prophet Muhammad. He gave the message of love, peace and brotherhood. He asked people to believe in only one God or Allah. The holy book of the Islam is Quran. Parsis. Zoroaster, Zarathustra, was born in Iran. He founded a religion called Zoroastrianism. He taught that good actions lead to happiness. The followers of this religion are called Parsis. They worship in fire temples. Their holy book is the Zend Avesta. Social reformers. All the social reformers told us to give up wrong practices and love our fellow beings. Some notable social reformers in India are Saint Kabir. He was born in Varanasi. He was a disciple of Swami Ramanand. He was against caste system. He attacked hypocrisy in the society through his couplets, dohas. He preached that God is one and accept brotherhood among all. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Roy's sensitive heart was deeply hurt when his sister-in-law was forced to be sati. He was the great reformer of his time. He was born in Bengal in 1772. He fought against evil practices like caste system, sati and child marriage. Ramabai Ranade. Among the women social reformers, Ramabai Ranade holds pride of place. She did a lot for the uplift of women and orphans. She founded a school called Pune Seva Sadan for orphans. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a Muslim reformer who did a lot to improve the conditions of Muslims. According to him, education was very important to change people. So he established a college in Aligarh that went on to become the Aligarh Muslim University. He was opposed to the injustice done by women and Parda system. Scientists of India. India is proud of having many renowned scientists. Aryabhatta and Varahmir are well-known ancient Indian astronomers. Charka and Sushruta were famous physicians of ancient India. The concept of zero was given by Indian mathematician. Charka is called the father of Indian physicians. Sushruta is called the father of surgery. C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect in the field of physics. He was awarded the Nobel Prize and Bharat Ratna. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha is called the father of Indian nuclear science. India's former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was also a great scientist. In ancient times, scientists S. Ramanujan were one of the greatest mathematicians of the world. Indian rulers. Ashoka was one of the greatest emperors of ancient times. He realized the futility of wars after his war with Kalinga, where he saw a large number of dead and wounded people. Emperor Ashoka then became a Buddhist and started working for public good. He constructed roads, hospitals and dharmashalas for the people of his empire. Krishnadeva Raya ruled over South India around 500 years ago. He was an able ruler and he worked towards the welfare of the people. His kingdom was called Vijayanagar. He was a good poet and wrote a large number of books in Telugu. Akbar was the son of Humayun and the third Mughal ruler in India. He was a Muslim but he believed in all religions. Akbar is ranked among the greatest rulers of all times. He worked towards the welfare of his people. Art, music and literature were prominent in his court. There were 9 courtiers in his court, who were known as the Navratnas or 9 jewels. Among his famous Navratnas were Birbal and Tansen.